Some of the business challenges we faced and the reasons we bought Semperis was during our internal risk assessments, we realized that we weren't protecting the Active Directory as well as we should have. We weren't backing it up as well as we should have. And Semperis was able to back it up and restore it insanely quickly. During our testing, we're able to back up and restore our Active Directory within 20 minutes to a completely different data center with minimal downtime. During a normal backup scenario, that could take 24, 36 hours, depending on how bad it is. It really fills that disaster recovery hole that we had. Active Directory is the heart of your infrastructure and your servers. It's very important to back up and restore quickly if possible. Being near the Gulf Coast, we have to be very flexible and very agile with our disaster recovery, and ADFR with Semperis has allowed us to do that in preparation for those hurricanes that are unfortunately going to hit us at some point or another. Thankfully, we haven't had to use it yet. And hopefully we'll never have to use it, but there's peace of mind there that if we do need it and we do have an Active Directory problem, we'll be able to restore very quickly, whether it's just our DNS, whether it's just one piece of Active Directory, the whole thing. We purchased a Semperis ADFR, and since then we've expanded to their DSP product, which helps us protect Active Directory from a security standpoint, monitors vulnerabilities, audit logs. We're able to roll back changes and watch for any admin activity that's anomalous. We're able to harden our Active Directory infrastructure like it's never been before. We're able to hit all those little check boxes and make sure that it's absolutely secure.